Day Cavite, Bayang Karerista, kayo ang bida.
And the race is on. Kaligatan in a jackrabbit start, leaping ahead of the others, and racing by the rallies Lion Ford alongside his Bustillos. Kaligatan followed by Lion Fort in second. Echo Macori outside like came Manila Magic Machine. Racing by the Real 6th position, the favorite G's Queen. And moving up by the Real Concert King, Jaden Dugo. Yes, Joey also rushing up. And rounding the far turn, Kaligatan by about 3 lengths. Lion Fort, Lake Came Manila in between runners, Magic Machine, Echo Mac, G's Queen moving up by the rail as they race the final corner. Kaligatan, Lion Fort, G's Queen making ground down on the inside. Echo Mac, yes, Joey. It's now G's Queen by the rail. Kaligatan, Lion Fort on the outside. G's Queen, Lion Fort on the outside. But still G's Queen the leader. And finally, G's Queen, Lion Fort, yes, Joey, Echo Mac, Magic Machine, and Jaden Dugo. Super 6.